Hey guys, welcome back. I wanted to do a quick update video on the solar cover of the pool. It's been about 3 years that we've had this, 3 seasons I should say, that we've had this solar cover in place. So wanted to do a quick update to let you know how it's holding up and whether you should buy one of these or not. I got previous videos on these. I'll link it up here somewhere so you guys can watch that after we got it and we built the holder and all that good stuff. But let's get into the 3-year review. I think, just to let the cat out of the bag immediately, 3 years is probably the max that we're going to get out of our solar cover. Let me show you, see if I can find some areas of why this is the case. And for those of you that don't know, if you've just caught this, I've got a whole playlist on this. This is for my Intex Ultraframe pool. We have the 12 by 24. Again, 3 seasons now. The pool is great. It's been holding up awesome. Go check out the rest of my pool videos, and you can learn more about that. The solar cover, I don't think is going to last more than 3 years. You can see how these areas are bubbling up. Well, there's also some areas where these little bubbles in the plastic are just they're kind of popping off, and right here's one. What happens is when you're swimming around, you kind of bump into things, and it feels like somebody has left like a contact lens or something in the pool. So it's just coming apart is what it is. So I think 3 years is the max we're going to get out of this. Probably going to have to reinvest in one for next season. We're going to try to really wait this out, make this one last the rest of the season. We're early July right now, so we still got a couple months of swimming left in here where I live. So really going to try to see if we can make that hang on. But I mean, I'll be honest with you, I didn't even think it was going to last 3 seasons. So I'm going to call this a win. And I'll link everywhere where I bought these things. I always buy these online because they're kind of custom sizes. This is a 12 by 24, and this is the holder we built for it, which, maybe if we had some kind of rolling device that we built out of PVC like I talked about in previous videos, maybe this would be lasting longer, because what happens is the kids just come up and they grab and they pull this back down here to get it off there. So it's not their fault. It's just all of that is just causing some wear and tear on the cover itself. There you can see where these bubbles just pop off, and I'm yelling at the kids, take your contacts out before you get in the pool, and they're like, what? So yeah, it's just the way it is. It's just that's probably the heat causing that, is my guess. Yeah, here's some of the tears that we see as we pull that in and off. Actually, I caused that one. Can't blame anybody for that one. But I mean, it's held up well. It's definitely worth it. Performance-wise, it is worth it. This thing heats this pool up fast. As a matter of fact, I got in it yesterday, and man, it felt great. It felt absolutely great. Not too cold, even on a windy day. Feels absolutely great. So there's my 3-year update. Got 3 years out of this one. Probably won't get another year out of it. Definitely not going to get another year out of it. So we're going to have to reinvest. But 3 years, I'll take it. Again, the pool's been great. 3 seasons of this one, and hopefully get 3 more. We'll see. Anyway, that's all we have for today, guys. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.